This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Nissan Rogue. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential items like gloves and eye protection. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin any connections. Next, position the donor vehicle close enough to your Rogue so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jump start. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Nissan Rogue battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, secure one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Rogue, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, it's time to start the donor vehicle. Let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge your Rogue's battery. After this waiting period, try to start your Nissan Rogue. If it doesn't immediately turn over, give it a few more minutes with the donor car running, then attempt to start your vehicle again. Patience is key here for a successful start. Once your Nissan Rogue is running, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. That means removing the negative cable from your Rogue first, then the negative from the donor, followed by the positive from the donor, and finally the positive from your Rogue. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes to allow the battery to fully recharge. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.